Okay, this is a recording to show you how to use the eGov QA ZenDesk. I'm going to log in with my credentials here. I'm logging in as an end user, so this should be the same view that you guys see when you log in. So I arrive here, and here's the eGovernment project testing. You can ignore all of the stuff below the header bar and just go ahead and click Submit a Request. And here you'll find all of the fields. The star indicates required. Login bug. Can't log in. Error message when submitting correct credentials. The project, you're going to scroll down. It's alphabetical and it starts with OLCC. So OLCC liquor licensing. You're going to put your URL that you found the bug on. And then steps to reproduce. So this is really helpful when you're kind of knee-deep in the application and you perform a specific action. For something like this, it wouldn't be as necessary, but try to log in from login page. Browser version, this is helpful. It can be, it's very helpful. So if you can fill it out, just Chrome. I'm on a Mac. Severity, so this before launch, after launch, nice to have. So this helps us prioritize tickets that are put in, and the more conservative we can be here, the less work we'll have to do later. For this phase, this would be, this has to be fixed before the letter of acceptance will be sent. So major, like I click login and I get a server error. That's a before launch. Button that says the one thing and you'd like it to say something else, but you can get through the app, I would say that would be an after launch. And a nice to have is, hey, I don't think we asked for this, but it sure would be nice if that field was required, or something along those lines that it could potentially go live with. And then it's kind of more of like a change request, or just a hey, if you can fit this in, sort of a ticket. So I'm going to say before launch. This is where you add files. I'm going to add my bug picture here and submit. Now once you submit, you get here, it says, yep, your request was successfully submitted. It brings you to this screen where you can view the details of what you just submitted. So you can look down here and see all your stuff is correct. Oh, hey, I forgot to mention ABCDE. You can add that here. Click Submit again. And now it appears in the history of your ticket. Now I can either click here to submit another request at the bottom, or I can go up here and I can say My Activities. This brings you to the My Activities page, and from here you can view all the other tickets. So you can view just My Requests, so those are things that you yourself submitted, requests that I'm CC'd on. And what I can do, if you'd like, is just to make this real simple for everybody, I can create a macro that anytime Matt submits a ticket, Pam and TJ or whoever is automatically added as a CC. So if you guys want to let me know how you'd like that to run, that might be the easiest way. Of course, all those people will get all the communications on all those tickets by email, which can get a little can be a lot of email, so that may not be ideal, but it's an option. The other is organization requests. So you all will have the same organization name, and you can see right here there's lots of tickets in from marijuana. Since we're not using ZenDesk anymore, I'm going to clear all of these out so that the only OLCC tickets that are in here are the new ones you submit for marijuana. This will clean up our tracking, and it'll make this organization requests one probably the best option, because Pam can go in and view Matt's tickets without getting copied on every single communication. But if she wants to go look, she can. So that's how we can see all the other tickets, both yours, and then if you are added as a CC, and you guys can let me know on that one, or just anything submitted from your agency, you can look in here, and you should be able to see all the details, just like the person who submitted it would see. And you can add comments, whatever you want. So that is it.